Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, more unboxing. We got lots of packages we're going to open up. There. Okay, so first, I'm going to open this. Good things come in small packages. Oh, these are my push pins. Oh, I guess they did break off a bit in transport. Oh, well, that's fine. Next package. Bubble wrap. Let's see what I got. Oh, I got screws. Not screwed, I got screws. Next package. Like that, and this. And nothing in that. Kind of hard to determine where to open this. Oh, finally. Some proper laptop unsealing kit. And this feels like it's a bar of some sort. Oh, hey. El Magneto. Hey, look at that. It actually works even in the bag. Let's open up our next package. My rubber repair mat. Oh, I ordered a bigger kit of that too. And then some angle brackets. And then this thing, depending on where you want to cut and everything, you just put this in and then you draw your line. And then you just cut around that. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, this is my screw nut kit. M3 to M8, I think. Next package. Amcom Zorax. Display port to HDMI. I think I had an HDMI display port somewhere. This is a Keystone Jack pinch tool. So when I open this and I do the Cat 5, Cat 6, this National QMS certified. I guess we're going to find out how certified this is. Whoop. Aha, finally a proper crimper. I can start doing tools properly. I'm going to cover up all this. Positioning squares. Okay, now our last final package. Demagnetizer. Some angle bracket. A battery caliper. Another small package. This is a water meter. So this tells you total dissolved solid of water and hold function, shut off, warranty, note. Please use it under professional instructions because this is a professional instrument. Avoid heat, direct sunlight. Instrument is non-waterproof, so do not throw it in water, but you can tip it in water. Okay, so that's that. This is a depth gauge caliper. Okay. Oh, look at this bad boy. Look at that. This is going to replace my 4-port one that I have over here. I got 6 ports on it, instead of unplugging it like in my last video. There's another angle instrument. This is a car ODB reader, and it's Bluetooth. Wireless earphone. This will be fun to check out. This is a battery tester. Why did they just send me garbage like that? How dare they? Rude. This is another wireless earphone. And then this is a USB voltage meter. So, all done. Wow, I got lots of stuff. So, we have crimper tool, quick crimper tool, 65-watt USB power charger. Surprisingly, I ordered it with US and Canada plugs. This is a shape tool. This is an aluminum angle tool. I can get it out of its packaging. There we go. 45 degrees, so when I'm doing stuff on my computer and I'm building it, I can actually do stuff properly. That's my other angler. These are pin heads for my light for my server. Wireless earphone, another wireless earphone. Display port to 4K, USB voltage tester, demagnetizer, 90-degree angle, so this way when I go over a section I can make sure it's straight around. This is the computer ODB2 section. This is a depth tester. This is a water tester. This is a caliper. This is my magnet, so I can it's not that strong for 500 screws. Maybe if I put it in here, it might make it better. 2 of my laptop phone repair kit devices. An M3. Oh, tap and die set. That's it. So this is the tap set. I just don't have the die set because I only need the tap set. And this is my silicone mat. Alright, we have a lot for videos to go down into. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me for more videos and my misadventures in ordering stuff. Thank you and have a good night.